Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we explore gifts that bring meaning to every occasion. Today, we're taking a close look at the best mom mug set. A thoughtfully curated 7-piece gift collection that's designed to make any mother feel truly special. Whether it's for a birthday, Christmas, Mother's Day, or just because, this is one of those gift sets that says everything your heart wants to express without needing many words. Let's begin with the star of the show, the ceramic tulip mug. This is no ordinary mug. It's an 18-ounce piece of art, crafted from high-quality ceramic and finished with a pearlescent glaze. As light hits its surface, the glaze shimmers subtly, giving it a luxurious glow that's hard to miss. One side features a vibrant 3D tulip pattern that celebrates beauty and grace, while the other side proudly declares, "Best Mom Ever." And to top it all off, the mug comes with a charming flower-shaped handle, making each sip of coffee or tea a moment to be cherished. But the elegance doesn't stop at the mug. The set includes a matching gold-crowned spoon, a delicate little addition that brings a touch of royalty to her daily coffee routine. Alongside that is a soft, cozy pink headband and fuzzy pink socks, perfect for those quiet moments when she just wants to unwind in comfort. Now, what makes this gift set extra special is how it's all wrapped up with love and care. The items come neatly packed in a stylish outer box, ready to gift. You won't need any extra wrapping paper, it's all done for you. Also included is a beautifully designed butterfly greeting card where you can write a heartfelt note, making the gift feel even more personal. Then there's the velvet jewelry case, a hidden gem in the set. It's compact yet spacious enough to hold rings, necklaces, or earrings. With its soft pink velvet exterior and secure zip closure, it's as functional as it is elegant. Whether it sits on a dresser or goes into her travel bag, it keeps her cherished pieces safe and organized. Every piece in this set has been chosen to serve a purpose, not just practically, but emotionally. From warmth and comfort to beauty and sentiment, the Best Mom Mug set is a tribute to everything your mom is. It's more than a gift, it's a reminder of love, care, and appreciation. And that's what makes it truly unforgettable. So if you've been searching for the perfect gift that delivers a powerful message of gratitude and love, look no further. The Best Mom Mug set is here to say what words often can't. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next thoughtful review. See you next time.